a second look at your losses. So for example, before I left to the oil field, I was working in sales at a car dealership, and I had bought two real estate properties. I ended up losing about $20,000. My credit got ruined. A lot of stuff had happened, and that's why I was set back. So then it made me forced to have to go work crazy 100 and something hour work weeks, cultivate a work ethic, learn how to manage my money, look back and analyze my mistakes, focus more on due diligence and not just acquiring. Obviously, I was focused too much on acquiring property at a young age because I was 22, 23 years old at the time, and I wasn't doing all my due diligence. I just wanted to own more property at a young age. So make sure to analyze every single setback that you've had and see how this can be a comeback for you. See how this can give you an advantage compared to if you didn't go through those things. Because if you didn't go through this pain, you wouldn't have to be forced to learn from it so it don't happen again. So look at everything and see how it can become an advantage.